I'm going to share with you a superfood weed that is so common and we have it grown in most gardens. I let this weed grow in the garden because of its high nutritional value. And how to identify it is by the rubbery type leaves. And this is very, very nutritious. It is extremely, extremely high in vitamins A, C, E, essential minerals. You eat this like you would eat anytime when you would put lettuce on something. Use the purslane, and that's what the plant is, purslane. Add that in there. You can add it to soups. You could add it to a taco if you wanted to on top. And when you're eating this plant, you are eating the plant that is the most nutritious in the omega-3 fatty acids. And that's great for your heart. This is tasteful. It is high in all those vitamins I talked about earlier, but you can just clip the plant and use it as you would use lettuce. And you can boil it if you care to, or you can eat it just raw. I just ask that you wash it real well because it does get a lot of bugs on it. And this is a lot of free nutrition that God gave us. God gave us these plants for us to eat, to use for medicinal qualities. For example, they claim that if you eat this, it will help you with your blood sugar and it will help to build bones. And it has so many valuable micronutrients that are in the soil that just help us have a healthy body, because that's God's intent, for us to live long, healthful, and praising also of Him, have a life that is worthwhile, and He provides everything that we need. We are like in a Garden of Eden. When you look at your garden, of course you have your tomatoes and your zucchini and your onions that you plant, but don't throw the purslane away. Eat it. Use it. It's God's gift. May God bless you and your family.